Stretching. Yeah. Jimmy's a big kiosk guy. Isn't that right, Jimmy?
Yeah, I just got the McDonald's app the other day.
Oh my gosh. Any specials, Jim?
Always.
Yeah. Well, we're staying. I'm also wearing skateboard shoes, so I feel like it's not
Hey,
the best.
look at me.
Yeah, you're now shoes. Sheesh. Where did Jimbo Slice go? We just got our day passes from Copper, and now we're gonna hit the slopes.
If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be aware. If it wasn't for you, things
Eventually, make it be cool. There's a ton of park stuff. Yeah, there's so much
Probably
park.
should just hit the super pipe right now so you can just get the, was it 360 butter nose out of the way? Butter nose.
We're going to the right, right?
Going to the right.
Oh no, a shop already?
Alright, we're off here, boys.
We're off here.
Aim for the powder. Jimmy, look at Tim's stuff right now.
You could go over there too, call an audible. There's no line. There's a line down there. Or we can stick.
Let's do one. Let's do one, and then we can go that way.
Yes, sir.
that you do, I would be aware. If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be aware. If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be
It's like our third one of the day, I think. I got Copper Mountain, first time here. I'm gonna hit Soliloquy real quick. We ran it once. It was pretty fun. 50. Jimmy went to the other side, but we're gonna meet him at the Timberline lift, and then meet Zach at the Timberline lift because he took a break. But yeah. Last run before lunch. We're gonna head to the base, and then if the lines are long, we'll eat down there, and then if the vice versa, we'll come up. I'm good. What do you want? Just had lunch at this place, Ari. It was good. Good ski food. Typical ski food. Now we're gonna get the second half of the day done. Stay tuned.
I ate off the lift.
No, Zach. Is that why you're putting on your shoes?
Not put like my
Oh,
shirt on.
yeah.
but I misjudged. I thought it was faster like the other one.
Yeah.
So I put my hand there and I got up thinking I'll be able to keep my hand here. And
No.
it wasn't
No, it was just like shoop. Yeah. Rip. So tired. Then we have a couple more runs. The day is over. Then we can go hot tubbing. Right, JT? Hot tub? Hot tub, baby. Hot tub.
Oh my god.
You wanted to do it, not me.
Swallow it, bro. That was more than a shot.
Yeah.
Also, that is smooth tequila. I guess I'll bite this now.
I haven't taken a shot of tequila in a while.
Bro, that was so much.
That was a lot.
That was
That's the truth.
all right.
Another round?
That was disgusting. No.
Oh, they
You
had
pick the liquor this time.
yeah, they had 3 different Respados. That wakes you up.
Or puts you to sleep.
Well, for me, it wakes me up, then it puts me to sleep.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got I am in the skies. Stop